Hello everybody, myself Santunak. Now I am studying in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sonok Educational Trust Group of Institution. Now I am intern at Emertxe Information Technology on Embedded System. During this internship, I can build a project, microwave oven simulation. These are the topics I can learn during this internship. Introduction to C programming, conditionals, loops and operators, array and pointers, functions and strings, which all the things are included in C programming. Now I can learn about the embedded system and the microcontroller during this internship. And I can learn also the MPLab XID, XCB, XSIMLab, and I can learn about the various peripherals of PIC16F877A microcontroller. And they gives me various quizzes and PISA workshop in the conduct. These are the content I can learn during this internship, and this is the important for the project implementation. What is microwave oven and requirements for the project, microcontroller and the microprocessor, PIC/SIMLab, CLCD display, matrix keypad, ISR, timer, and the main part is the project implementation. Now, what is microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to heat the food using microwaves, which is of form of electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in various microwave ovens. We are going to implement 4. They are as follows: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. Micro mode. In this mode is used to cook the food in traditional way. It is used to maximum power of 900 watt. In this, the maximum time that you can set for cooking 60 minutes. Grill mode. In this mode is used to cook meat and food. Convection mode. In this mode, user can set the oven to preheat for a particular temperature, and it can take 3 minutes to preheat the oven. After preheating is done, the user can set time as per the requirement. Now, introduction to embedded system. An embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. Embedded system may also function within a large system. The system can be programmable or have a fixed functionality. Industrial machine, consumer electronics, agricultural and processing industry device, automobile, medical equipment, cameras, digital watch, household appliance, as well as mobile devices are possible to location for an embedded system. Requirements. These all the things are required for the microwave oven simulation. MPLab IDE, C8 compiler, PIC/SIMLab, PIC16F877A microcontroller, 16x4 CLCD display, tactile switch, and matrix keypad, and also timer 2. Microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller and the microprocessor are an integrated circuit which is capable to perform a specific task as per the program. This is the matrix keypad. This keypad is used when more number of user inputs are required. These keypads are most commonly used in telephone, calculators, and digital lockers. This is the basic difference between microcontroller and the microprocessor. In microcontroller, all components will be in a single chip, and so it is less flexible and less design complexity. But in microprocessor, all components are assembled separately, so it is more complex and more flexibility. This is the architecture of PIC/SIMLab. Here we can see PIC16F877A microcontroller which is connect the several modules as well as GPIO modules, RTC and EPROM, LM38 temperature sensor, ADC, RS232, LEDs, buzzer, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, and also CLCD. The arrow indicates the data transformation path. The character liquid crystal display. In PIXIM lab, there are two types of display: 16 into 2 display, 16 into 4 display, and it also two types of communication mode. First is 4-bit mode, second is 8-bit mode. Interrupt. An interrupt is a communication process set up in microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests to MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU and MCU acknowledges the request and attends to the request. ISR, Interrupt Service Routine. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. Timer. Timer is an important application in system which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in the system. There are three types of timer: timer 0, timer 1, timer 2. Let's see the output of the project. Here we can see the powering on mode. Here we can see the menu display mode. Here we can see the micro mode. Here we can see the grill mode. And here we can see the convection mode. And this is the start mode. Thank you, and especially thank to Emertxe Information Technology to give me the chance as a intern of embedded system. Now see the output of the project. This is the MPLAB X IDE. This is the source code of the microwave oven simulation. Now build the code. You can build it. Now we can see that the build is successful and the hex code for the simulation will be generated. Now upload the hex code on the PIXIM lab. This is the PIXIM lab, and I can upload the hex file. This is our hex file, and upload. Now we can see the microwave is in powering on mode, and this is the menu mode. We can press 1, the micro mode is started. Here show the power 900 watt, and user can set the time as per the requirement. I can set the time for 21 seconds and enter. Here you can see the timer of 21 seconds is started and the fan is on. We can stop this simulation. We can press the 5. We can see that the simulation will be stopped. For resume it, we can press the 4. Now after 21 seconds we can see that the time up. Now we can see the time up and the fan is off. Now grill mode, we can press the key 2. In grill mode, the user can enter the time. I can try in 23 seconds and enter. Here the started. For stop simulation, we can press 6. Now after clicking 6, we can see that simulation stop. Now the convection. Now the user can set the temperature for preheating. Now the end. Here we can see the 3-minute timer on for preheating. After 3 minutes, the microwave oven is ready. Now user can set the time as per the requirement. I can set a time for 10 seconds and enter. The timer can start it. and for stop you can press 6. Now the start mode. For start mode I can press the key 4. We can see that the 30-second timer can started, and we increment the time as per our requirement by press key 4. Now you can see that time will be increased. This is our project. Thank you, and thanks to Emertxe Information Technology.